Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Citizens Bank secure method step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Citizens Bank in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once on the home page, locate the login button. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. If you already have an account, enter your username in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. Ensure that your caps lock is off, as passwords are case sensitive. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the appropriate link provided. Follow the prompts to recover your credentials. Once both your username and password are entered, review them for accuracy. When ready, click the login button to sign in. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case of any login issues, check your internet connection. If problems persist, consider contacting customer support for assistance. For enhanced security, remember to log out after your session is complete. Close the browser to finalize your secure login experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.